morning, student. Today our discussion will be on further HTML. Yesterday we have just recalled the first topic, so today we'll again continue with the HTML. So till this point, if on any tag or any type of doubt is there regarding HTML, so you can have your question. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so if you have any question regarding whatever content that we have done, so you can ask now. Actually, today we are going to do one quite mixed activity where just like yesterday we have done the anchor tag, use of anchor tag, that is hyperlinking. So that I will continue, and with that simply will include image. So already we have done work with the image tag, so that only we are going to do. So if you have any question, anybody has any question, so beforehand you just ask in the chat section. And with that we'll once recall the topic, that is our the list tag, that is ordered list and unordered list, will recall once. So here is the thing. First of all, simply just let me remove this unwanted part, which are not important for us now. So let it be this part, body. Within body I am keeping this bg color yellow, text is equal to blue. So this will be the body background color. And after that, here I am using one link of our pages. If we keep our pages link, so it will open that particular text page or pdf, whatever. If we keep the link of any website, then also it will keep. But now today here we are going to do one thing here, that if we click on an image, so it will open a particular url or simply a website. So for this purpose we are going to use our school own website. So first of all we have to copy the school website. Let's open it. Just opening the school website, and I'm just copying the URL of that website. So now simply that link only I will paste here. So in place of anchor tag, in the href attribute, we have to place that URL. Here is the URL. So this is the thing. Now then we have to go for one another thing. In place of this click here, what we have to do, in place of this click here, just we have to place another image. So to insert an image, what we can do, for that purpose, let me take, so here I am taking all these things as a paragraph, so it will be under one area only. So within this paragraph tag, I'm keeping everything as left alignment. P align I'm using. P align, P align, align. Align equals to, I'm taking here suppose left alignment only, by default it is left, so that alignment only I'm taking, P alignment. and within this we'll paste our link. So anchor tag we have to use, then href attribute. Within href attribute we have to paste link, our link. So then we'll insert one image here. So for that purpose we have to use the img tag. So now we have to go for the image resource, image source. Where is our image? That path we have to copy. So good morning everybody. If you have any question regarding those topics that we have covered till now in HTML, because after this part today I'm just recalling one last topic, and after that we'll go for the table tag. That is what quite important tag, and based on that some project activity will be given to you also. Some assignment or tasks will be given to you. So if you have any question regarding any tag, or if you need to discuss that any particular tag or attribute, so you can have your question. Just I am copying its path, I'm pasting the path here. I'm pasting the path, and after that we have to place the image name also. So nps dot simply jpg. This is the type of the image. So this is the complete path of the image. So and then we'll simply close the anchor tag. Close the anchor tag, and then we'll close the p tag also, slash p tag. So this is the thing. So now again when run this page, so what it will show, simply this image will come. Now let me use some attribute inside this image, few attribute, just like source attribute. Through the source attribute already we have used the use of, let me close it once, just like with attribute I'm keeping this with example 130, and with that height in suppose 110, I'm keeping height as 110. And one alternative text means whenever a particular image will not be displayed in a page, so in that case it will display that particular uh, text or particular word, whatever we are keeping inside the alt attribute. And then alignment is not required. So this is the thing that we can use under this image tag. So and then at the end we'll close the anchor tag, and we'll close the anchor tag, and paragraph tag. So now we'll run our project, run our work. So if we run the things, now we can see that image has came. So if we, and image is now become one hyperlink. That means whenever we are hovering the mouse over it, so it is changing to the hand symbol. So now if we keep this just like hand symbol here, or if we just simply, let me close this tab once. Now if we click on this hand symbol or simply in this picture, so let's see what is coming. So if we are clicking here, so it is just opening another page, and that is our school website. So in this way simply we can keep any image as a hyperlink things. It's like if we, you can go back, so you go back to our pages. So in this way only we can do the things, that if we want to set an image as a hyperlink, if we want to set an image as hyperlink image, so this is the possibility. So this is one thing, one very important concept regarding assignment actually, because this type of question only will be in your assignment. So for that purpose only I'm just recalling the things. Next, in assignment very extensively we have to use one another tag, that is list tag. Now about the list tag we'll discuss. So first of all I'm placing, already it is a paragraph tag, so now just I'm placing one break tag. So after that we'll discuss about the list tag once. So for that purpose I'm just using one heading. So 6 levels of headings are there. So H1, within H1, I'm just keeping here list tags. So which is coming this. Have to check. Okay. So now we'll use the list tag. In the list tag, we know there are two types of list. So one is ordered list, another is unordered list. So first of all, we'll create one ordered list and also the same thing with unordered list. So let me change few things here. We'll keep the color here different. By default, it is of blue color. So now we'll keep everything as red color, for example. So here I am keeping font. First of all, I'm changing the face. Font face. I want that it should be Algerian. Algerian. Then face done. Then I want that color should be, for example, green. Green, and size should be, suppose let it be 5 only. Let it be okay. 5 will be enough size. I'm closing the font tag. Now everything whatever we'll write under the font tag, it will be of this style. Now we are going to start one OL tag, OL for ordered list. So within OL we'll keep everything. So here within this OL tag we can use the type attribute. So we can use the type attribute. Type is equal to, if we write single, if we write capital A, so everything will come with the capital A B C in this way. If we write just like Roman I, so it will come with start with this Roman symbol. Now within OL type I, now here I'm keeping few list of items. So first of all, item will be just like li. In this li we have to write the item's name. So here first of all let me give one heading also. Like here we want to give subject. And suppose I'm keeping here computer. Next li I'm giving here science. And then I'm closing the li. Just I'm recalling that's why. So I'll not use much. So in the same way, if we just copy paste it, just copying it, in place of OL only we'll use the UL tag. So in case of UL unordered list, so we will not use any type. We can use different types of thing attributes, just like square or disc or circle in this way. So here also we'll close with UL tag. So this is the thing, and at last we have to close the font tag. Close the tags. Not close the li tag, then also it will work. No issue is there. Li tag is basically empty tag. So version to version it may differ. So here UL tag is closed, and at last we have to close the font tag. Font tag is closed. So so now let's see here. Algerian is supported by this browser. Just like list tag. First of all, this hyperlink that already we have done. Then subject is coming. So subject, when we are writing the subject, it is coming with this some spelling mistake is there. Computer science, and here also subject computer science. But these are the two different kinds of list. Even also any hyperlink also. Here I've used this light tag for special purpose. Just like if we want to keep any hyperlink within this list attribute within this list also, that is also possible. Just like for example, let me do one thing. Inside our school website only, let me click first, go to our school website. Within school website, let me go to this academic portion. Or let me go to gallery. So if we go to gallery part, so here it will open another page. Here it will open another page. So it will open some images or content. So now suppose if we want to just link this page directly with a particular link, so then also we can do that. Just for example, here, for example, in place of this computer, I'm just randomly giving one example for a page. Here in place of this area, here I will use one anchor tag. Href attribute is there. Within href attribute we have to place it, and again we have to close the li tag. Anchor tag is not important. Anchor tag, no need to. Anchor tag you have to close. Sorry, anchor tag you have to close, and then you have to close the li tag. Li tag is closed. So now let's see what will happen. Also, you can add one text here, just like it was normal. Uh, for example, now actually some setting is changed. That's some issues coming. First of all, I'm writing here computer, and then I'm pressing everything. So now let's go here. Place this after the H. Now, if we click on this computer or this computer, what will become now one hyperlink, and here also you can see it is now changed to blue color because this is one type of link object. So that's why it is changed to this color. Now, if we click on this directly, it will go to this gallery pages. It will go to gallery page. So in this way, actually things work. A hyperlink or if this hyperlink can be used in any other part. From next week only, we'll start with this HTML tag, HTML table tag. So there also we have to use different things. So based on this work that we have already done, so we have different type of attributes and tag. Based on that, one assignment will be given to you. Okay, this will be for actually the mid-term purpose. Okay, one assignment copy because your practical and theory part will be just like 60-40. Theory midterm will be 60 marks and practical part will be 40 marks. 40 marks basically. Now practical part will be the HTML part. So based on that, one project will also be there. So that type of project content, just one demonstration project will be there. So this is the thing. This will have to do. So this is the thing. So if you have any question, then let me know. Again, we'll discuss, rediscuss. Today we have time. I'm not going more today. Do you have any question, anybody? As you wish, because presently the scenario is that we are not in school, so obviously many people do not have access to computer. So if you have computer, that is very good. But if you do not have, so no issue is there. So for the time being, you can give handwritten, as well as you can just type in computer, or you can produce the result through computer. So if you have computer, that is good, no issue is there. Okay, basically the few topics will be like theoretical terms, and few most part will be the practical basis, just like HTML basis, HTML content or HTML assignment will be there. Just now only we are doing the tags. After that, whenever actually we will start the CSS, then only we can go for the actual content of your syllabus. Presently, quite the revision of class 9, 10 syllabus only we are doing. It will be practical theory, as I told. Your scheme is of 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40, 60 marks theory, 40 marks practical. Earlier for computer science it was 70-30. 70 marks theory was there, 30 marks practical was there. But now for this web application it is now 60-40, 60 marks theory, 40 marks practical. And within practical various parts are there. For 11 there will be no issue, but for 12 actually bigger project will be there. For 11 also at the final term one project activity will be there, just like quite website making, right? That type of project activity. So this is the thing. So this is the thing. If you I think do not have any question, so then I'm just ending the session. So the assignment that I will send, try to solve it. If you do not have access to computer, again I'm saying, so you can solve it in just normal handwritten, and you can submit. Assignment in the time of exam, that time I will tell how to solve or how to send the assignment actually. Okay, presently no need to send anything. So whenever I will assign your work, okay, so within few days I will assign. So regarding this week assignment, weekend assignment, this is the normal thing, normal class work homework basis. That's not a big deal. This is normal thing. But when the actual midterm assignment will even, that is quite, it will be quite large. It will require 4 5 days. Okay. Any more question? Any more question? Student? Everybody is your doubt clear now? Okay. Then I'm ending the session here only. Actually, no need to submit the assignment now. Whenever we'll assign the assignment, later on some process will be there. Either we'll submit it in school, or later on we'll see to that things. Okay. Okay. Thank you, student.